developing the mind pattern we have looked at in this unit. Let's add the word pryd, when, at the start. Pryd est ti allan means when did you go out? Mi es I allan y bore 'ma. I went out this morning. Es I ddim allan amser te. I didn't go out tea time. Pryd est ti i'r dre means when did you go to town? Mi es I i'r dre ddoe. I went to town yesterday. Es I ddim i'r dre heddiw. I didn't go to town today. Now we'll try the same question with fo, him, he, her, or a person's name in it. Pryd aeth o i'r ardal wlyb? When did he go to the wet area? Ath o bore 'ma. He went this morning. Aeth o ddim amser cinio. He didn't go lunchtime. Pryd ath hi i'r ardal greadigol? When did she go to the creative area? Ath hi bore 'ma. She went this morning. Aeth hi ddim amser brecwast. She didn't go before lunch. Pryd aeth Elis i'r ardal dawel? When did Elis go to the quiet area? Aeth Elis dydd Llun. Elis went Monday. Aeth Elis ddim amser te. Elis didn't go tea time. Da iawn wir. You have now developed your past tense patterns. Try them out in the school setting. Dymuniadau gorau.